Are you tired of seeing your debt stack up month after month? In this video, Money Smart Basics will share 7 smart and proven ways to crush your debt faster, save thousands in interest, and finally break free. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Debt. Just one word, but it carries so much weight. It's a word that can change the course of your life, quietly and relentlessly. It's the silent thief stealing your future, creeping in month after month, taking more than just your money. It takes your peace of mind, your confidence, and your dreams for tomorrow. It's the stress that keeps you up at night, the weight that follows you everywhere. You feel it in your chest, in your thoughts, in every decision you make. It's the reason you can't relax, even when you're supposed to be enjoying time with your family or friends. Debt isn't just numbers on a page, it's a chain holding you back from the life you want. It's a constant reminder that you're not free, that your choices are limited, that your dreams are on hold. Every paycheck, gone before you can even use it. You work hard, but it feels like you're running on a treadmill, never getting ahead. The money comes in, and just as quickly it's gone, swallowed up by payments, interest, and fees. The borrower is slave to the lender, your money, your choices, all dictated by someone else. You're not in control, the banks and creditors are. They decide what you can afford, where your money goes, and how much of your future you have to give up. You can't save, can't give, can't build a legacy. Every dollar is already spoken for. The dreams you have for your family, the opportunities you want to provide, they're all put on hold because debt comes first. This is about more than money. It's about freedom. It's about having the power to make choices, to say yes to opportunities, to live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up and knowing you're not working just to pay off yesterday's mistakes. Imagine your life with no payments, no car loan, no student loan, no credit card bills. Imagine the relief, the joy, the sense of possibility that comes with being truly free from debt. All that money stays in your pocket, building your future. This isn't a fantasy. It's a reality that millions of people have achieved, and you can too. Every dollar you keep is a step closer to your goals, your security, your dreams. Millions have broken free from debt and changed their lives. They've found hope, peace, and a new sense of purpose. They've proven that it's possible, no matter where you start. Debt causes stress, arguments, and anxiety. It puts a strain on your relationships, your health, and your happiness. It can make you feel isolated, ashamed, and overwhelmed. It makes you feel trapped, but there's hope. You are not alone, and you are not powerless. No matter how deep the hole feels, there is a way out. You can break the chains, you can take back control of your life, your money, and your future. It starts with a decision to stop letting debt dictate your life. You can pay off your debt faster than you think. With a plan, determination, and the right mindset, you can make progress every single day. Every payment is a step toward freedom. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. The sacrifices you make now will pay off for years to come. The hard work, the discipline, the tough choices, they all lead to a life where you're in control. Draw a line in the sand. Today is the day you take back control. Decide that you're done letting debt steal your future. Make a commitment to yourself and your family that things will change. Decide to change your family's future. You can do this. You have the strength, the courage, and the ability to create a new story, one where you're free from the burden of debt. Your income is your greatest tool. Don't let debt steal it. Every dollar you earn is a building block for your future. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Take back your peace, your joy, your hope. Imagine the laughter, the calm, the sense of security that comes when you're no longer worried about bills and payments. The first step? Decide you're done being a slave to debt. Make the choice to fight for your future, to fight for your family, to fight for your freedom. The future you want is possible. It starts now. Let's get to work. Your journey to freedom begins with a single step. Take it today and never look back. Time to face the facts. This is the moment where you stop running from the numbers and start taking control. It's not always easy, but it's the first and most important step on your journey to financial freedom. The truth is, ignoring your bills and debts only gives them more power over you. Today, you're choosing to take that power back. You can't defeat what you don't understand. Knowledge is your greatest weapon in this battle. When you know exactly what you're up against, you can make a plan to win. So, let's get clear on the facts. Gather every bill, every statement, every loan document you can find. Don't leave anything out, no matter how small or intimidating it might seem. This includes credit cards, car loans, student loans, medical bills, and any other debts you owe. The more thorough you are, the better prepared you'll be. Make a list of every debt, credit cards, car loans, student loans, medical bills, everything but your mortgage. Write them all down in one place so you can see the full picture. This step is about honesty and clarity, not judgment. Write down who you owe, how much you owe them, and the minimum payment for each debt. Don't just estimate, look at your statements and get the exact numbers. This is your financial inventory, and it's the foundation of your plan. Don't guess, get the real numbers. Accuracy matters here. If you're not sure about a balance, call your lender or check your online account. The more precise you are, the more effective your plan will be. Add it all up. Take a deep breath and total every debt. That's your starting point. It might be a big number, but it's just a number. It doesn't define you. It simply shows you where you are right now. It might look huge, but remember, it's just a number on a page. It's not a reflection of your worth or your future. It's simply the first step in your journey to something better. Millions have faced numbers like this in one. You're not the first to feel overwhelmed, and you won't be the last to overcome it. People from all walks of life have started right where you are and found their way to freedom. This is your motivation, your before picture. Take a photo or keep this list somewhere you can see it. One day you'll look back and see how far you've come. This is the proof that you had the courage to start. Every time you want to quit, remember this number and why you started. Let it remind you of your goals, your dreams, and the life you want to build. This number is not your enemy. It's your starting line. Take a deep breath. You've faced the truth, and that takes real courage. Most people never get this far. You're already ahead because you're willing to look your situation in the eye. The hardest part is over. You're in control now. You've taken the first step, and that's often the scariest one. From here, every action you take is a step toward freedom. This list isn't a record of failure, it's your battle plan. It's your roadmap to a debt-free life. Every item on this list is a challenge you're ready to overcome. You've turned on the lights and taken away the fear. When you shine a light on your finances, you take away the power of uncertainty and anxiety. Now you can see the path forward. From here, you call the shots. You're the one in control. You get to decide what happens next, and you have the tools to make real progress. You have a plan, and you're about to act. Whether it's making a call, setting up a payment, or just organizing your paperwork, every step counts. Action is what turns hope into results. This is your first step toward freedom. Every journey begins with a single step, and you've just taken yours. Celebrate this moment. You've earned it. Don't let shame or regret hold you back. Everyone makes mistakes, but not everyone has the courage to fix them. You do. If you need support, reach out to someone you trust. You're not alone in this. You're not alone. Millions have done this. There's a whole community of people who have faced their debts and come out stronger. You can too. You're stronger than your debt. Let's move forward together. Victory starts with clarity, and you've already taken the most important step. The future is yours to shape, one decision at a time. Now, let's attack your debt with the debt snowball method. List your debts from smallest to largest, ignoring interest rates for now. Pay minimums on everything, but throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt. Sell stuff, cut expenses, get a side job, do whatever it takes. When you pay off that first debt, celebrate. That win fuels your motivation. Then, roll that payment into the next smallest debt. Each victory builds momentum. The snowball grows. You'll crush your debts one by one. Quick wins keep you fired up. This is about changing behavior, not just math. The snowball method works because it keeps you moving forward. Prefer math over motivation? Try the debt avalanche. List debts by highest interest rate first. Pay minimums on all, but attack the highest rate debt with every extra dollar. This saves money on interest, but can feel slow if your biggest debt is first. Choose the method you'll stick with. Snowball for motivation, avalanche for math. The best plan is the one you'll finish. Minimum payments are a trap. They keep you in debt for decades, paying thousands in interest. Paying just a little extra each month attacks the principal and saves you years. Even $20 or $50 more makes a difference. Don't let banks decide your future. Take control. Every extra dollar is a step toward freedom. Break the minimum payment cycle. You're in charge now. Where does extra money come from? It might seem like there's never enough, but the truth is, you have more options than you realize. Sometimes it's just a matter of looking at your situation from a new angle and being willing to make some changes. You have more power than you think. Start by asking for a raise at work. If you've been working hard and adding value, don't be afraid to have that conversation with your boss. Even a small increase can make a big difference over time. Or consider picking up a side hustle. There are so many ways to earn extra cash these days. Deliver food, drive for a rideshare company, or use your skills as a freelancer online. Every extra dollar counts. Take a look around your home. Sell things you don't need or use anymore. Host a garage sale, list items online, or find local buy and sell groups. You'd be surprised how much value is sitting unused in your closets and garage. Deliver food, mow lawns, walk dogs, or help neighbors with odd jobs. These small gigs can add up quickly and give you a steady stream of extra income. Get creative. Think outside the box. Maybe you can sell handmade crafts, tutor students, or offer your expertise online. For a season, be willing to hustle harder than ever before. Work like no one else now, so you can live like no one else later. It might be exhausting, but remember, this is just temporary. The sacrifices you make today will pay off in the future. Be ruthless. Sell unused stuff, clear out clutter, and turn it into cash. Every little bit helps when you're focused on your goal. When you get windfalls like tax refunds, bonuses, or unexpected gifts, use them to pay down your debt instead of spending them on wants. Don't waste extra money on things you don't need. Stay focused and disciplined. Every dollar you save is another step closer to freedom. Use every extra dollar to crush your debt. Make payments as soon as you have the money, and watch your balances shrink. Every dollar you find is a shovel digging you out of debt. This hard work is only for a season, but the results will last a lifetime. You're on a mission. Use every resource, every opportunity to build momentum and keep moving forward. The more you throw at your debt, the faster you'll win. Sacrifice now for freedom later. Remember, you're not broke. You're breaking free. Stay determined, stay focused, and soon you'll be celebrating your victory over debt. The other side of the coin, spend less. Create a zero-based budget. Give every dollar a job before the month begins. Cut eating out, skip vacations, pause new clothes, sacrifice for now. Cancel unused subscriptions, trim bills, question every expense. The wider the gap between income and expenses, the faster you pay off debt. This is a season of discipline, not deprivation. Ask yourself, is this purchase worth more than my freedom? Usually it's not. Don't keep up with the Joneses, they're broke. You're choosing short-term pain for long-term gain. Every cut brings you closer to freedom. Build habits now that will help you build wealth later. Your budget is your plan for victory. Stick to it, and you'll win. Track your progress, it keeps you motivated. Make a chart or debt thermometer and hang it where you'll see it daily. Color in each section as you pay off debt. Watch your progress grow. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Choose free or cheap rewards. Pizza night at home, a hike, a movie night. Share your progress with someone you trust, spouse, friend, accountability partner. Don't do this alone. Community makes the journey easier. Every payment is a step closer to freedom. Keep tracking, keep celebrating, keep moving forward. The finish line gets closer with every win. Motivation is built on progress. Stay focused, stay encouraged. You're almost there. Picture waking up with no debt. Your paycheck is yours. No car payments, no student loans, no credit card bills. That's freedom. Peace of mind, real choices. Debt-free, you can build wealth, save, invest, and give generously. Your income becomes your most powerful tool. You can help others, support causes, and change your family's future. The journey is hard, but the reward is worth it. Every sacrifice pays off in peace and opportunity. The plan is simple. The decision is yours. Start today. Make your list, create your budget, make that first extra payment. Your future self will thank you. You were made for more than payments. You were made to be free. The life you want is possible. Take the first step now. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. What I wish I knew at 20? Minimum payments keep you stuck. Here's how to break free fast. Use the debt snowball or avalanche. Focus on one debt at a time. Pay extra on it, minimums on the rest. You build momentum, save money, and destroy debt way faster. Ready to win? Start today. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.